Financial advisors love to tell you investing is complicated, that you need expert guidance. You will mess it up without them. They are lying. Investing is simple. They make it complicated so you pay them. Here's what a typical financial advisor charges. 1% of assets under management per year. Sounds small, right? Let us do the math. You invest $500,000 over 30 years. At 8% returns with no fees, you end up with $5 million. With a 1% advisory fee, you end up with $3.7 million. That advisor just cost you $1.3 million. For what? Putting your money in index funds you could have bought yourself in 10 minutes. Here's what you actually need to do. Open a Vanguard or Fidelity account. Buy 3 funds. A total U.S. stock market fund, a total international stock market fund, and a total bond market fund. Put 80% in U.S. stocks, 10% in international stocks, 10% in bonds if you are young. Adjust to more bonds as you get older. Rebalance once per year. That is it. You just saved yourself millions in fees. But what about tax planning? Learn the basics yourself. Max out tax-advantaged accounts first. Roth IRA, 401k, HSA. Then use taxable brokerage accounts. What about estate planning? Hire a lawyer for a one-time fee to set up a will and trust. Way cheaper than decades of advisory fees. Financial advisors are not evil. Some provide value, but most are just expensive middlemen selling you index funds you could buy yourself. Take 2 hours to educate yourself. Save $1 million. It is the best return on investment you will ever get.